Hey, it's Katie Kerr with Veridian Mortgage. And in this video, I'm going to talk about gift funds, when to send it over, what's the best way to do it, what's required, and mistakes of what not to do. So first, if you're going to have gift funds, you're going to need a gift letter. So our team is going to help you prepare that. We're going to need the donor's name, address, where the gifts are going to be coming from, and some contact information. So that's pretty simple. It could be sent through DocuSign. When the gift fund should be sent over, the path of least resistance is actually for the giftor to send it directly to escrow. So when they're going to do that is typically when you are ready to sign your loan docs and you're going to be wiring your cash to close to the escrow company. That's when you're going to do it. That's the best time. This is the simplest way because then you don't have to source or document where a big deposit came from. But fear not, if you accidentally have the gift funds or let's say the money was just there already, like your parents gave you some money to go buy a house and they did this before you got into contract. So it's not that it's the end of the world. It's perfectly fine. It just causes it just makes you provide a little bit more documentation. So that's not a big deal. However, sometimes it just could prolong the underwriting process. The more it creates more like touches on your file. So again, to summarize, the best way is to wire gift funds directly to escrow. You don't need to do this up front. I get that question a lot. You can wire it towards the end of the transaction after your loan is fully approved and you're ready to sign. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, if you know that you're going to have gift funds, make sure to wire it directly to escrow. All right, until the next video, bye.